Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I do not know what this voice is, but I am just going to go with it because I cannot be asked to do any more recording. Basically, today was meant to be a thing of bulk films. However, iMovie has just messed up. The last recording I did of this entire look was teaching how to contour and squeezed all of it into one small clip so I couldn't edit it correctly. So I've had to give up on that. I'm not taking all this face off and doing it all over again because that took around 40 minutes to film. And that's not even mentioning all the separate little clips that I had to do before editing. Because obviously I split everything into little clips. So I'm just going straight, I'll be doing the contour another day. But I think you can see me contouring in other videos. So I'm not really going to worry about it too much as for now. But recently I got this gorgeous thing, the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And today I'm going to be showing a little eyeshadow look, which is why I already have everything else on. A little tip from my past video that I added when doing eyeshadow is if you do not do eyeshadow without some sort of base, whether that be concealer, primer, or foundation. I don't have any foundation. I have foundation on, clearly. I don't have any concealer or primer, so I've had to go with foundation. And on top of that, to make sure it doesn't smudge up here and make one thick line, I had to use W7 banana powder to set my entire face to make it look a bit more matte. But yeah, let's get on with the video, shall we? So as you open it up, it is gorgeous and amazing. As you can see, I do mainly go for the reds, more berry sort of looks. But that's because it suits my eyes colour more than anything, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I do sometimes mess up with this, but that's bound to happen sometimes. Honestly, this is just for fun, isn't it? We're all here, just having a bit of a laugh. Let's get on with this, shall we? We shall. Alright, so I'll be starting with a base layer of a natural sort of colour, which I'll be using. Which one do I think? So I'm going to be doing tempera as the base layer. So taking the little brush and adding it on. I love how pigmented this palette is, and I wouldn't expect anything less from a company as amazing as Anastasia. I actually like how it looks at the moment, because I think whatever colour I used previously is still slightly stuck onto it. Just created a little nude illusion, which I live for. I don't do under eye because I always end up poking myself in the eye when I do under eye. So, sorry. Not for this video, honeys. So now, the base on the other eye. There, that's just the base down, and you can see it clearly on camera, which I like. Oh, I didn't mention, I need to mention this thing. You may notice that it's a bit different how my videos normally look, but no, I've not got any upgraded from a webcam to a camera. I've just got a little lens on my webcam, so now it gives it a bit more definition. And you can see more around me. Yay! Which it's not exciting, it's just a wall and a chair. And another chair. Not interesting, really. But yeah, I've got a new thing, so the videos will be better quality now. And I'm planning to get a new camera very soon, along with some lighting things. Hopefully, if I have the money, which will probably be not in age for quite a while. I live a fun life, don't I? No, I do. And before I forget, maybe 10th, I think it is, of March, but Happy New Year's. I've not recorded a video since, but yeah. And so I'll be starting with a bit of Love Letter on the outside. I'm building it up a bit, just to here on the crease, and then from there, angle the brush downwards. And bam. Because this is going to be a sort of shadow. Which I'm also now going to go straight on. You can see here, look. Why do I feel like Trixie Mattel? And now I'm going to go straight on to doing it onto that eye, because otherwise I will forget what I did. Which isn't really helpful for me. And my computer cannot go black. Once again, up to the same place, and for once I've actually managed it, and then angle the brush down, and there we go. And yes, I definitely need to fill it in a bit more with brush you in. There we go. That's that. That's the first one. So I'm just gonna fade it. Actually, no, I'm not gonna fade it out. What am I doing? I've noticed that not blending is sort of come back into style, so I'm going to do my best to not fully blend, but blend it a little bit. And now I'll be going in with red ochre. And for the inner corner. And I don't want it to be too much, because I'm using another colour. This is sort of just like a trio of the berries, autumnal leeks. And now onto the corner of the other eye. Sorry, there is going to be an actual colour on the, like a different colour, not just this red and purple. Okay. So that's done. Now just wait 1 minute whilst I get some clips for the trailer I'll be putting on my Instagram. Hi, I'm back again. Not to worry for you guys, this video is nearly over. Now I'll just be going in with the Venetian red into the middle sections that I left blank, but not too much. I'm going to just tap off that excess and go in delicately. Nope, that excess idea was not good, because it turns out I need a lot more of the pigment. There we go. Yeah. Once again, onto the other eye. And that's that. Done. Now I'm just going to put the corner colour in, which I am going to use a bit of Mia, because I feel like using Primavera would be a bit too much for this. So I don't use this colour as often as I should, but this, if I pull my eye away like so, to inner corner, that's added a bit of colour there. That's that done, and now for a small bit of blending. I'm not really going to blend, I think I'm not going to blend as much this part, but the inside is where the colours become one. Actually, no, you know what? Gonna blend it. Don't like how it looks at the moment. So you could do this kind of thing unblended. However, that if you're making the eye shadow a bit bigger and putting more emphasis on it. But because I'm not, I'm going for more subtle look. I just decided, besides no Selena Gomez, I cannot pull off an unblended eye. Oh, my computer. So I don't know where that cut off because I wasn't paying attention to my computer screen and it went black. I should really pay more attention to this. This is why I need a camera. Need to save up to get a camera. Need to remember that. So yeah, this is the finished look. As I said, I've decided not to go unblended. As you said, it fades nicely out. And I love this palette. Truly do recommend it. And yeah, that's it for today's one and only video. Thank you, iMovie, for not working properly. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like and comment below. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see in the future, leave that in the comments below. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, leave a like, comment, and once you've hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, because then you'll be notified every time I make a new video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. That's it for today. Liam out.